What about the second minister we met? I feel like him.
You mean the spitter?
Isn't that bad?
He say you'd be wearing a veil.
What about the third guy?
You mean the guy kept staring at your chest?
Can you blame him?
Sorry, I just don't like the idea when I'm saying I do, he's thinking, well, I do it too.